Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Airtable Cloud step by step clearly. Start by researching Airtable to understand its features and benefits as a cloud-based platform. Create an account on Airtable's website to gain access to its tools and functionalities. Familiarize yourself with the interface by exploring templates and pre-built bases available on the platform. Identify the specific use case for your investment in Airtable, whether it's for project management, data organization, or collaboration. Determine your budget for investing in Airtable's services, including the potential costs of premium features, and evaluate the different pricing tiers offered by Airtable, including free, plus, pro, and enterprise plans. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and sign up for it through the Airtable website. Set up your first base by selecting a template or starting from scratch to tailor it to your requirements. Input relevant data into your base, using fields, records, and views to organize information effectively. Utilize Airtable's integration capabilities to connect with other apps and tools you use to streamline workflows. Explore automation features within Airtable to enhance efficiency and reduce manual tasks. Consider collaborating with team members by inviting them to your workspace and assigning roles. Regularly review and update your bases to ensure the information remains accurate and relevant. Leverage Airtable's community resources, such as forums and webinars, to enhance your knowledge and skills. Monitor your investment's impact by tracking performance metrics and assessing how. Adjust your usage as necessary based on feedback and changing requirements to maximize your investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.